like, look, it's different when you see the marble. Now, briefly, I want to talk about this photograph, which is a dark side image of the Earth. So the sun is on the other side of the Earth. It is just lighting up this little crescent on one side, and you can see some city lights. And you might be wondering, if the sun is on the other side, how can we see anything besides city lights? And the answer is that the astronauts for the Artemis II mission launched during a full moon. And so what you are seeing here is moonshine, which is a word that has more than one meaning. But in this case, the full moon is bouncing light from the sun back to the Earth. And that is what is actually lighting up the clouds here. And down here in the lower right-hand corner, that's Venus, interestingly enough. But they also took a different version of this photo, which is my third favorite photo. It's the most interesting photo, I think, that we're going to look at in total. This is basically that same photo that we just looked at, but with a longer exposure. So now Venus down here is much brighter. We see this glow off to the bottom side of the planet. And we also see lots of very interesting features. So up at the top here, you can see the green of the aurora, and down at the bottom, the green of the aurora. This is actually, the Earth is upside down here upside down from our understanding of Earth. This is Africa on the left and South America on the right. That's the coast of Brazil with all those lights lit up there. And there's a few things I want to talk about here. First, the Earth is upside down, and that's just the perspective that Reid Wiseman was in when he took this photo. There is no up and down in space. There's kind of, there's the plane of the solar system, but north and south are created by us. Because most people live in the northern hemisphere is probably why it ended up that way. And another very interesting thing to check out is that you can actually see the sodium line. It's this very faint line that goes all the way around the Earth, and then you can see how it goes up and meets with the aurora. But the sodium line is a line of sodium ions, ionized sodium atoms, that are ionized by the sun and thus emitting a little bit of light. Most